Introducing the 1994 pickup 4x4 Shitbox Edition. Yep, you heard that right. No frills, no thrills, just pure, unrefined rust. Look at that paint job. 30 years of road grime? Nope, just the perfect amount of rust. It's got character and structural integrity. Built to conquer any terrain, or at least survive the next pothole, these tires, these Milestar tires, they've seen things. Oh, they've seen things. Things you don't want to see. But look at how beautiful they are. Complete with period-correct bumper stickers. Behold the Shitbox Edition emblem. It's a badge of honor, because who needs luxury when you've got a ride this honest? Why sit comfortably when you can sit creatively? Storage? Oh, don't worry about storage. It's got space. Just enough to fit your dreams of maybe I'll fix this thing someday, or really a couple of beer cans. Same thing, really. Those scratches on the door? Oh, that's just the dog's signature touch. A little reminder that this truck's got bite. This truck's got more character than a reality show. It's not rust. It's pre-patina. So if you want a truck that's seen better days, but still kicks ass, the 1994 Toyota Pickup Shitbox Edition. It's not for everyone, but it's for me.